Green. The man of the hour. Woo! Hello. Well, good morning. So, as you can see, we've made a lot of progress. This is our office slash studio, packed up. We made it all through with minimal disagreements, and if you're in a relationship, you know that means fighting. So, we're still together. Kamal's currently in the shower, which you could probably see the smoke from, or the steam. Yeah, that's his hot shower. Today is not the last day we'll be here. Well, technically it is the last day, and the last night that we'll actually be here, well, living here. We will be completely transitioned to the other apartment tomorrow. So our bed will be over there. Oh, something fell down in the shower. I should probably check on him. So as you can see, this is the current situation in the kitchen and the living room. Please comment below if you like, when moving, this is how. Well, this pretty much looks the same. No shade, but shade. Matt still has to, I think he's staying, but his dresser actually looks cleaner than in our home tour video. And here's mine. And messy bed. And nothing. We'll see you in a second.
We moved in a few things, and tomorrow the movers are coming, and then it becomes officially official. We are here. To the point, Selena and I are both leaving our work computers here, so you know it's real. It's exciting times. It's exciting times indeed. I can't wait to see what this place looks like at night. We have no idea. There's a lot of traffic in this area. We're right by a major entrance to a major city.
You could say we live by the Lincoln Tunnel. It's a lot of places near the Lincoln Tunnel.
We're right by the Lincoln Tunnel, and so, well, because I feel like this is very specific because it only happens in a certain area, but it backs up pretty hardcore at a given time, and we're almost at that given time. So we got to pack up, go get dinner, because we moved all the food out, and we're not cooking here tonight, and then make our way home. I also have to get a very big bottle of water because we also took out all of our cups and stuff too. So one more night in our old apartment, and then we go to bed in this place, in our lovely home.
Tomorrow.
Stay tuned for when we are setting up everything and get to see the progress and all that jazz.
If you recognize this plant, this is basil.
Sad.
Basil, after 3 years.
Yeah, fell victim to the heating system in our old apartment.
Yeah. Laptop.
Yeah.
I don't know what the other one is. Come out, put on his shoes. This is what the living room looks like now. I'm sure it won't look like that tomorrow. Sun's coming down. I don't remember if I shared this, but we are planning on making this wall like teal. Our theme is Southwestern. We are gonna go with this one. It's a nice, it feels good too. It's a nice fabric to cover a wall in. I really dig it. Edgar's here. Everybody knows Edgar.
Hey buddy.
Seymour's here. He's been getting a couple of yellow leaves. I'm not actually sure why, so hopefully he's not dying too. Let us know if you have any tips. And this is our office, guest room, studio, storage space. We'll see how that turns out. And we'll see you tomorrow. So she's in the carrier and she hates the carrier. Her meow changes and everything. So she's gonna echo all the way downstairs in the streets, waking people up. That's very inconsiderate, Estrella. You're gonna be fine. You're fine. We wouldn't put you in there if you weren't gonna be fine. Well, that's how we're starting our moving day.
Should be alright.
All that stuff that was in here, gone. Bins packed. We're on the move.
Boom.
Come on. You know that. That's your litter. Yeah. Your first step should always be in your litter pan. Because you know that's.
Put our food in the, yeah.
So put it on top.
Yeah, that's fine. She can withdraw that.
Right here.
She's like, I don't know this place.
It's garbage in here, I know. So just like that. Didn't film any of it, but they're moved.
They are moved. And we're
Follow
gonna
us on Instagram.
We have like a lot more to do. Obviously, like walls aren't set up yet. The TV's not on the stand. We got bins out the wazoo instead of boxes that we need to pack. Doing laundry because, you know, some things get dirty in transit.
Or we're dirty already.
Or we're dirty already.
We have some cabinets getting filled.
That's a bad example. Try the spice one.
Yeah, this is real filled.
There you go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Filled if I ever saw one.
I was trying to be organized. We got the canisters. This is for our post-workout smoothie shakes. And then all the non-dairy milk we drink. Beverage. Pantry. We have lots of pantry stuff.
Yeah.
Like we have some overflow items up there. Baking help. Okay, this ain't gonna stay here, but the liquor is gonna go up there. So, as Kamal was saying.
Lots and lots to do. We actually got 30 bins from them, and by my count, we've only gone through 3. So we've gotten through 10% of the bin, because this one, which is with the finished ones, is not actually finished. It's stuff that like we know we're not going to get to today. So we're like, we'll just put it in here real quick so it's
Cat is
out of
still
the way.
in the bathroom.
But we got lots more.
Yeah, we do.
Lots more. But however, I do want to say that like we've only been moved in for 2 hours. So I think we're doing okay. I think we're doing okay. So we just finished cleaning up the apartment for one more go around, and we're gonna take out the trash and then just wait for our now old landlord to come pick up the keys and do a final walkthrough.
It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
And by kinda, it's like really crazy that this is the last time, as far as we know,
As
the
far as we know,
last
yeah.
time we will ever be in this apartment. This is our first apartment together.
Yeah, it's full of memories.
Full of memories. This is where the couch was. Like, hey kids.
Hey kids, I'm Kamau,
I'm Selena.
and this is the City and Beyond. We filmed a lot of videos in that hallway.
Yeah. We painted it pink. Well, it's peach.
This is where we came back after we got engaged.
Yeah.
And this is where we took off from before we got married.
This is, wait, were we what?
Took off from before we got married.
True. Yeah. Insert clip. Yeah, in front of this building. Yeah. We are leaving. It's crazy. It's crazy.
It's really crazy that this doesn't really even feel like home anymore. It almost feels like I'm cleaning up for like
Somebody else.
For somebody else,
Yeah,
or like a
it
real estate shoot or
does.
something.
Yeah, it really does. Well, but to a new chapter. We're very excited to be moving on, and we leave good vibes for the next family, which we've met.
Yeah, they seem like cool people.
Yeah. And so that's it for our old apartment. We have moved on. Remember to subscribe, and we will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.